What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with another hot video, giving you the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Hey, we ended in a fabulous week. Bitcoin held its own throughout the week, running in the $60,000 ranges. Today, currently Bitcoin is sitting at 61,900. It held its ground, held its territory all week. A lot of folks was expecting a correction. A lot of folks were expecting a dip, but it held its head up, continued to march, and you know it. All the altcoins behind it were like soldiers running and pumping, especially the meme coins. They were going parabolic. This was a fantastic and an exciting week that we will embrace. We love seeing weeks like these, so we are definitely encouraged with the momentum that we are heading in. Currently, the fear and greed index is at 86, so there is extreme greed in the market right now. A lot of folks are asking about cryptocurrency. A lot of folks are asking about Bitcoin. How do I buy Bitcoin? How do I get into Bitcoin? Which apps do I use? And so forth and so on. So there is a lot of new money, a lot of new retailers that are coming into the space, getting into the market. So we always embrace the newcomers, so forth and so on. But today we are going to talk about one of our favorite coins, Spell Token. Spell Token, you know, we got in Spell Token last year. We've been dollar cost averaging into Spell Token since it was about 0.0003. And currently, as you can see, Spell Token is at 0.001, up 10% on the day. Currently, Spell Token is about the number 378th largest cryptocurrency coin on the market. So it's a very low, small market cap. It's not in the top 100. It's not in the top 200. It is at number 378, so I have a lot of room to grow. Currently, the market cap for Spell Token is very low. The market cap is only $178 million. So we've been buying since last year. We like to buy these coins when they are beat down. We like to buy in the red. So when they start to run, when the bull market comes, we can make massive gains. Already we've made about a 5x on our return from buying from last year. A lot of folks got into this coin about 2 weeks ago when I dropped the update video when it was about 0.0006 or whatever it was, 0.0006. You know, a lot of folks got in it then when it was 3 zeros and a 6. And since then, it has dropped to 0, and a lot of folks are making gains from that particular point. A lot of folks are up 2x and so forth just in the past couple of weeks on this particular play. But, you know, we understand what part of the cycle that we're in. We know we are in 2024, the year of the current Bitcoin halving, which means a lot if you understand the magnifications of the 4-year Bitcoin cycles. We know 2024 is the year of the Bitcoin halving. The year after that, these coins will go parabolic, and looks like from this particular cycle, these coins are starting early. Things are a lot more advanced than they have been in the past. A lot of these coins are running and acting a lot more aggressive than folks have been expecting. So, like I say, we will embrace that. You know, whenever we can have a super bull market, a super cycle, whenever we can see coins starting to be aggressive to the upside, we're going to embrace those, you know, because, you know, we struggled in the bear market. You know, it was rough, but we held our ground. We stuck to our fundamentals because we knew what was on the other side of that particular bear market, which is where we are now. We are in the midst of a fabulous and great bull market. But Spell Token is one of those coins that nobody was talking about. Now it's starting to get a little bit of buzz, but we know the all-time high for Spell Token is 7 cents. Currently it's at 0.001. So if it was to get back to the all-time high, you're talking about a 70x from where we are today. We know the market cap is real low. The market cap is only $176 million. So for this thing to do a 70x is definitely possible. If we hit a 10x, we're only talking about $1.7 billion market cap. You can see a lot of coins that are in the top 100 now that are at a $1 billion market cap. And that market cap is very small compared to where we are expected to be next year. We're expecting Bitcoin market cap to be about $4 trillion. We're expecting the overall market cap for the entire cryptocurrency to hit about $8 trillion. So there's a lot of room for Spell token to grow. Minimum, this coin is going to do a 10x, but we are expecting a possibility for it to do a 70x. Worst case, if it do half of that 70x, you're talking about a 35x. But where else can you make exponential gains like that but the cryptocurrency market and these doggone altcoins, and about understanding and having knowledge and information of how the 4-year cycles of Bitcoin run. So if you put $1,000 in right now, you can almost guarantee to pull out $10,000 come next year, and that's just a 10x. A lot of folks say, oh, I don't think it could do a 10x. How can it do a 10x that quick? Well, there's coins that we've been in that have already done a 5x in a matter of 2 weeks. So if you don't think your particular coin can do an easy 10x in 52 weeks, then you are fooling yourself. Maybe you're new to this cryptocurrency space, but this market is very volatile. These coins can swing in the upward direction in a very violent way. So, we're expecting a great year, 2024, 2025. Spell token is just one of those coins that are in our portfolio that we have been watching, that we have been monitoring, and we're expecting Spell token to do great things overall in our portfolio amongst all the other great plays that we have been bringing you guys throughout the months. And we've been dollar cost averaging, buying those plays while they were beat down, while they were in the red, which is one of the things that I always stressed over there at the Patreon. We like to buy in the red. In the green, we don't do no buying. If anything, we can sell in the green. But in the red, that's what we like to buy. We sit back and we can wait till those things pump up. And in the green, if that's where you want to take profits at, then that's where you take profits at. But we don't do no selling in the red. We do all of our selling in the green. That's how our portfolios are able to continue to grow. And that's how we will be dominating this upcoming 2024, 2025 Bitcoin bull market. And if this is your first cycle, if this is your first time being in cryptocurrency, if you're looking for somebody to hold your hand and walk you through the way, come on over there and join us in the Patreon. We have a nice community over there. We kick back. We don't take ourselves too serious. We talk about different buy signals, different sales signals. We talk about the various airdrops that's happening in the Solana ecosystem. We're trying to find different ways to make 10x, how we make 100x. It's just a great community. So, we have somebody to navigate through the wilderness with, instead of trying to navigate through this cryptocurrency market as a lone wolf by yourself. It is very dangerous if you don't know what you're doing in this volatile cryptocurrency space. But, I just like to come to y'all every evening just to continue to give y'all that good encouragement, just to continue to give y'all that good motivation. And like I always say, then get out there and do it to your service and don't get nervous. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.